Workshop Ideal Manager. Subject: Management Styles. Team Management. Now we will talk about leadership styles. German psychologist Kurt Lewin identified 3 main leadership styles: authoritarian, liberal and democratic. Authoritarian is when making decisions, they do not consult with team members. Cons of this style: staff turnover and absenteeism. Liberal is giving your team freedom of action. Minus employees may be wasting time. This style is manifested among leaders who do not have control over their affairs, and therefore control over the affairs of subordinates. Democratic is when all decisions are made by the leader along with members of his team who are involved in the decision-making process. Social leadership style. With this approach, the team works in a warm atmosphere in a pleasant and friendly environment. But with this approach, a weak emphasis on tasks, which creates obstacles to high productivity and leads to controversial results. Team management. This is when the head closely monitors subordinates. He only criticizes and does not praise. Now in many countries, even in the army, this management style has been cancelled. Being a leader means thinking less about your needs, thinking more about the needs of people. When managing your company to get high-performance subordinates, it is necessary to interest the employee to achieve high results. Of course, when recruiting a team, you also need to selectively select a team. Questioning people at an interview. You can initially set goals, ready to go for good results or not. After you have created your team, I have identified points that are worth adhering to reach the top with the team. 1. Consult with team members because their contribution can be very valuable. 2. At the beginning of the year, draw up a plan for the year with the team. Set goals for achievement but also come up with incentives for valuable employees. That the person was interested to help you achieve your goal. What will he have from this? 3. The main thing is always to keep your promises, otherwise you will lose the trust of your valuable employees. 4. Regularly motivate the team. 5. Encourage creativity. With this approach, team members have a high degree of satisfaction from their work and increased productivity. 6. The leader must maintain trust and respect in the team. This will lead to a high level of production and job satisfaction. Lack of trust in employees negatively affects morale and labor productivity. Also, to increase labor productivity, it is necessary to identify common goals for the team. You can individually work out his goals with each employee. And the main thing is to clearly describe what the task is facing everyone and what goal is being pursued. The leader should indicate the direction, but not indicate the methods. Then the team members are given freedom of action to come up with new ideas and conduct experiments. In management style, you need to consider caring for people. If it cares about people, people will care about the production process. When a leader relies on the team, inspires his employees that they have ambitions and internal incentives to work, then employees enjoy the tasks performed. The leader must be a mentor, which means focusing on the development of team members, showing how their productivity can be improved. At the same time, combine the goals of each employee with the goals of the project or organization as a whole. It is best to make decisions collectively, taking into account the opinions of each. More often praise subordinates and criticize only when an urgent need to improve the situation. Effective leadership formula. This is an effective leadership style plus project management tool equals successful completion. Conclusion. For successful management, it is better to use a mixed style, which has the features of leadership methods from various classifications. And to be a successful and effective leader, you need to find a balance. It is this approach that increases management efficiency and the chances of a successful project completion. I I am waiting for you in my team and will teach you to be an ideal manager. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so as not to miss new interesting and useful videos.